What's up, guys? So probably a lot of you know about this latest Udemy New Year sale, and we have exclusive coupon for you. So make sure to check links what I will put in video description below, and there you'll find two links. One is for Udemy New Year sale. They provide to their affiliates exclusive discount. As you know, Pigget website is affiliate website, uh, and we also list their exclusive coupon codes for Udemy. And all our website visitors can get all courses for lowest as possible price. So make sure to check this link. The second link is about all instructors, all Udemy instructors. Well, not all, but part of Udemy instructors, they register on Pigget and add their courses with their own coupon codes. Usually, these coupon codes are also exclusive ones, and this means you can get a course with discount or even for free. Um, make sure to check these two links what I will put in this video description below, and for any questions, please, if something will not work or any questions you got, you may use our chat box on a website, or simply comment this video. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Have a nice day. Bye.